Modern development teams are moving away from simple one-to-one content management. Today, a single product update or blog post needs to reach multiple separate digital platforms simultaneously. That includes web applications, native mobile apps, and even smart devices. This flowchart maps out the architecture required for that level of distribution. To route a single piece of content to all those channels, you need a headless CMS, a specialized backend that delivers data through an API. The primary bottleneck with commercial headless platforms like Contentful is the pricing structure. Their costs scale punitively based on your total content volume and API usage. Under this model, successfully growing your application's traffic leads to an immediate financial penalty for the business. To combat this, Strapi launched as an open-source Node.js alternative specifically designed to solve this exact scaling cost problem. It provides a powerful API-first backend for content delivery with zero licensing fees. Choosing Strapi eliminates those SaaS fees, but it shifts the entire burden of building the presentation layer onto your internal team. Strapi functions as a back-end engine rather than a pre-built website. It is a direct exchange of software licensing costs for your developers' time and infrastructure maintenance. This chart shows the relationship between implementation effort and flexibility, which defines the difference in decoupling your content from your website. This decoupling allows developers to use modern JavaScript frameworks to build customer-facing experiences, reaching any device from a single source. However, the trade-off is absolute. Strapi provides zero out-of-the-box website templates or pre-made themes. Unlike platforms like WordPress, where you can launch a site with a pre-configured design, Strapi requires custom front-end development to display anything to a user. If your business lacks a dedicated front-end developer, adopting Strapi will lead to an expensive, unusable dead end. Strapi's defining advantage is that it automatically generates REST and GraphQL APIs based entirely on the content types you create. This gives engineers immediate programmatic access to content without having to write manual back-end routing code from scratch. But this automated convenience forces a strict reliance on your upfront content modeling. As this diagram illustrates, misconfiguring your data structures early on creates a brittle foundation. A poor hierarchy causes a chain reaction of API errors and broken links that propagate all the way down to your front-end interface. These automated APIs save immense coding time initially, but they demand rigorous architectural planning before development begins. For teams opting for the free, self-hosted Community Edition, the financial benefits are substantial. This graph compares Contentful's compounding cost curve to a self-hosted Strapi instance. Your expenses are capped at roughly $40 to $80 a month for server resources, regardless of how often your API is called. This flat rate contrasts sharply with commercial platforms, where server costs skyrocket the moment an application goes viral. The operational catch is that self-hosting requires in-house DevOps familiarity. You must manage Node.js environments, manage Postgres databases, and security backups. Teams that want to avoid server administration must instead move to the paid managed Strapi Cloud option. To achieve the promise of $0 licensing, your development team must effectively act as its own IT department. Many startups consider migrating from a commercial SaaS like Contentful to Strapi specifically to escape those high usage fees. For high-traffic applications, the potential ROI on this move can reach tens of thousands of dollars in annual savings. But the migration process is intensive. Engineers have to write custom scripts to translate complex content relationships between the different platforms. It also requires running parallel staging environments to safely validate the API cutover before you go live. Realistically, a full platform switch of this scale typically takes 3 to 6 weeks of dedicated engineering time. The financial payoff is significant, but a migration is a major engineering project rather than a simple configuration change. Ultimately, Strapi functions strictly as developer infrastructure. Its value depends entirely on who is using it. It is the right choice for JavaScript-heavy development teams building custom, multi-channel experiences. It also fits scaling startups that need to avoid usage-based billing traps as their traffic grows. However, businesses without in-house development resources should avoid it entirely. Those looking for a simple, traditional website or blog will find a better fit in WordPress. The utility of an open-source CMS is defined by your team's technical capacity to wield it. If you are moving forward with Strapi, do not rush straight into the front-end code. Invest time planning your content types collaboratively with both your content editors and your developers. This foundational structure shapes the entire reality of the resulting API. Setting it correctly early on prevents costly restructuring later. When planned carefully and matched with the right team, Strapi delivers full multi-channel flexibility at the lowest possible infrastructure cost.